right? At a place called Alpine and Sweets. Up this little hill. I'm gonna do a room tour here. Here's the layout of the facility. Not too bad. Pretty much, there's no amenities here though, just rooms. Come in, you got a TV and a dresser. There's nothing in there as far as I remember. You got a desk here with your mirror. A fridge and microwave. A couple dents on that fridge, but I think, let me see. Yep, seems to work. And that is probably a freezer, and it's frozen. Microwave. Let's open it up first, take a look. That's a scratch, I think. It doesn't look like dirt. Not to my eyes, at least. There. Well, it works. Got your first bed when you come in. There is a phone and a table on the right. The table on the right, I could not get the light to come on because the switch is broken or completely missing. I didn't check these two shelves, but no. Got some art. There seems to be no Bible in this area. Got your iron, bedding, closet, full setup. You got a window there too. And we're getting a phone call, so I should probably answer that. The front desk called to see if we liked this room. I think it's fine. I think we're all just moving in at this point. Come in straight ahead and you get the bathroom. Got a round bathtub of sorts. What way is this turn on? Oh, that way. And I got my stuff all wet. Let me set this down. Yeah, it seems to work decent when you get it all the way on. And then there's your shower gel and shampoo. Got a toilet. Let's see. Yeah, decent. Towels and stuff are above. Window here, which I think opens even, maybe. Okay, I must have... No, I did not close it. Is this locked? No, I can't see. I'm trying to use the camera to do that. I'm just gonna give everybody a headache, but I can't get that with one hand. You got soap and lotion there for the sink. Turn it on right, it goes right down the drain. Sink's got a lot of power. Bathroom mirror. Hair dryer and a kind of ghetto looking mirror there. And this closes all the way if we want. And then you got one last bathroom. It's a bedroom, not a bathroom. I put my cup there, my tea. View out here. Concrete wall. Nothing special. Room is decent though. Little art, and looks like a... Oh dear, is that another double bed? Doubles are small. I can't tell. This might be a queen size bed, but I'm not sure. Anyways though, that's everything. That's it.